Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will explain you how to access Google Classrooms for teachers. The same Google Classroom can be used in laptop or PC, and the usage of that is clearly explained in another video which is available in the description link. First we have to open the Google Classroom app in the Play Store and download it. Next click on open. So here we will get like this. So we have a symbol plus icon here, click on that. So if we are a teacher, we have to create a classroom, and if we are a student, you have to click on join class. So as a teacher, first we have to create a class. So for that, class name is required. This is classroom third year C. Next, for section we can keep a room number as 1 and a subject we can write as SA2. So this is what the basic features. Next we have to click on create. So after we click on create, a Google Classroom with third year CE as class name and the subject as SA2 is created like this, right? So now we have different options to explore. So first is, when we look at the bottom, we have stream. So in the stream, so when we click here, share with your class, so we can share something, good morning, and click on send. So before sharing something to the class, the first thing what we have, so before sharing something, first we need to join students in our Google Classroom. For that, click on people, and you have an option here, teachers. So we can click on this symbol and we can copy the link, or you can write the name or email address to whom you are willing to join in your class. Okay, this is only for other teachers along with you for one subject. And here we have students. So when we click on students, there is the same thing. We can click on copy link and send the copy link to the students through WhatsApp group or any other source and ask them to join through link. So without this link, we have another option, that is, if we go to stream again and click on settings, we get about our class, that is classroom third year, and description I didn't mention here. If you want, we can have some description about your subject. And here we have class code as this JN5STEO. So you can simply tell the code to the students, or you can also click on this share link. So we get this link and we can send them through WhatsApp. Save. Next, classwork. So what is classwork? So in this classwork, we have to assign the work to the students. So the main use of this Google Classroom is that there will be an authentication for every work that student does. So for that, click on plus, and we have assignment, question, material, topic, and reuse post. So first thing, a systematic manner, let us click on topic, and in the topic we can click as first unit, or also you can add some topic of your own choice. Next, click on add. So after that, there will be a topic named first unit. Now under this first unit, we can have our own assignments or questions or material, whatever. So when we click on plus here, so when we want to give assignment to the students, click on assignment and assignment number 1. So description, please write the answer to the given question in the online class. Like that we can write like this, and we can have our own points like 10 marks or 5 marks like that, and we can have a due date like okay, time it is optional, and if you want the time to be, we can give like that. And next topic, so under what topic we are giving this assignment, so click on first unit and click on save. So this is regarding the assignment number 1 and giving how we are giving the assignment. In the description we can also have a question or like that, and if you want you can have an attachment. So if we can attach from Drive, we can have a link, we can upload a file, we can take photo, we can record video, or we can create a new PDF. We have all these options. So if you want to give a question, we can write it on the paper, take photo there itself, and ask the students to solve the problem. So this is what. So we can also have an attachment here. So let me have an attachment by clicking on file. So this is something I am attaching, which is available with me in the file. Yeah, I have attached this something. Okay, I have attached this video, whatever. Next we have to send it to the students by clicking on send option here. Right. Yes, here this MP4 students can view, students can edit or make a copy for each students. So if they can view, they can see. If you have a make a copy for each students, they can download all the thing, and if you click on students can edit, so the material they can edit. So suppose if you want to give them fill in the blanks, so you can have an option like student can edit and give them a MS docs file, word file. So depending on our interest we can select the option, yes, and assign. So the work will be assigned to the students like this. So here we have due date and also time. So before that time the work must be coming from them. So this is what regarding assignment. We can also ask question in the same manner like that. We can ask question, instructions, and points, due date, topic. So whether this is short answer or multiple choice, we can ask like that. Student can edit answer, and all those things we can add like that. Next we can upload the material to the student. We can upload the material like that. So title we can keep it as first unit notes, right? Here we have kept as first unit notes. So please download the material and under what topic the notes covers is that we have to click on first unit again, save, and send to the students. Here we have an option. Here you can see classroom third year and all students. So after we are adding the students, there will be an option here whether to send it to few students or to the entire classroom. That is the reason. And we have an option, we can send the notes at our wish. We can schedule it, we can save it as draft, we can delete it as draft, and these are the options we have. So more than this, in PC or computer or laptop we have many more options when compared to mobile. So these are the small things that we give to the students. Mainly if we have the assignments from the students, we can grade them for 5 marks, and it is an authenticated part which can be useful for further inspections in any colleges. Rather than using WhatsApp for asking the students to send us PDFs, we can use Google Form, which is best up to my view. And in the people you can see how many students have joined here like that. So coming to stream, we have, so whenever students open this, they'll be seeing this at 6:39 p.m. a new material from First Notes has been posted, and there is a new assignment, that is assignment number 1. And here I have mentioned good morning. Here I have a add class comment. So we can add class comment also. So as a teacher, I have moved to top or edit or whatever options I can use. We can also change the theme of this classroom third year CE. So all other options are available in PC or laptop rather than in mobile. So this is what we can ask the students to submit the assignments easily. This is the best method for online teaching nowadays, and we have more options here: classes, calendar, archived classes, classroom folders, settings, and all those settings already I have shown you. So we can update our photo, and these are the other options which are available. So these are all not necessary. So best option is to select classwork, assign the work, and before that we have to add the students. So how students can access the Google Classroom, that will be explained in the coming video. I think I'm clear in explaining the video. Thank you very much for listening. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.